I will talk about why use final keyword in Java. The final keyword can be used with the classes, variables, and method. Look at this diagram. If the final keyword used with the variable, that value can't be changed during the execution of the program. It is represented as a constant. If the final keyword used with the method can't be overridden. The final keyword is used with the classes, those classes can't be extended. I will discuss about final variable. If you make any variable as a final, you can't change that value of final variable. It is represented as a constant. This variable is declared as a final. It is a constant. If you try to change this value, it shows error because it is a constant. Final method. If the method is declared as a final in the parent class, then that method can't be overridden. If you want to stop the method overriding, in such cases, that method must be declared as a final. The same method can't be redefined in the child classes. That is called as final method. When you comes to the final class, if you make any class as final, you can't extend it. That class can't be subclassed or that class can't be extended. Here, the parent class declared as a final. If you try to create a child class for the final class, at this statement, the compiler will show error because the parent class can't be extended, which has been declared as a final. Then I will show you practically. See in this example, the num variable is declared as a final. That is a fixed value that can't be changed during the execution of the program. Here, the num value is assigned with another value, then it will show compile time error. I will run the application. Can't assign a value to the final variable num because it is a fixed value that can't be changed during the execution of the program. Then final method. In this example, the same method has been defined in the parent class and child class. This concept is called as method overriding. I did not use any final keyword in the parent class method. I will run the application once. The child value of num is 100. In this example, the child class can override the methods of the parent class. Then I will make it as a final. The final method can't be overridden. Then I will run this application once again. See here, the change number in child class can't override change number in parent class. If you want to stop the method overriding, the parent class method has been declared as a final. In this example, the parent class has been declared as a final. The final class can't be extended. To stop the inheritance in Java, then that class is declared as a final. Then I will run this application. Can't inherit from final parent. Class child extends parent. The final class can't be extended. That is, the error has been shown by the compiler. In such cases, the final keyword has been used. If you want to declare the variable as a constant, and if you want to stop the method overriding, if you want to stop the inheritance, then final will be very useful. If any doubt regarding this final in Java, then you ask me at any time through the comment box. Thank you. Thank you all for watching my videos.